Okay, we're gonna go for a bike right now. We're gonna have this new e-bike. Okay, we're gonna test it out right now and see how well it does. I'm gonna grab my shoes here. I'm gonna get out there and show you guys how well it does. Also, we're using the DJI Osmo 360 right here. Let me know what you think of the footage as well. So let's go. Where's our helmet? Oh, we need a helmet right here. Just to, just want to be safety first, right? You know what I mean? Okay, let's go. Look at this. This is speed meter right here. Today we're taking the JANSNO X70 for a spin. This got fat tires, dual batteries, moped vibes, all captured to the newest DJI Osmo 360. Buckle in, this is one e-bike that packs serious punch. Now right off the bat, the X70 looks rugged. It has a moped-style charm as well. It comes in matte beige or sleek black. An extra long seat gives it a bold, utilitarian look. Perfect for gear, passengers, or just making a statement. Now let's break down the specs. It has 750 brushless motor delivering 60 Newton meters of torque. Solid power for hill climbs and throttle bursts. It has a dual lithium batteries with 48 volts, 30 amp hour total for extended range. You'll get up to 45 miles or 72 kilometers on throttle, or up to 80 miles with 120 kilometers with pedal assist. The max speed goes up to 28 miles per hour or 45 kilometers per hour with pedal assist. And the payload capacity, it's good up to 330 pounds, which is 150 kilos. It has a full front and rear suspension, plus the cushioned seat. This equals to smooth cruising, whether you're tackling city cracks or gravel patches. I even rode it on grass here, and it's very bumpy, but I didn't feel anything. Super comfortable. The swept back handlebars and fat tires make handling feel planted and easy. I just love how comfy the ride is. Now again, the dual batteries run in tandem, which is a nice design for load balancing and stability. But a word to the wise, real world range can vary. Some heavier riders only hit like 37 miles on throttle alone, while specs promise up to 120 kilometers. So performance depends on terrain and weight. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The bike is pretty heavy. It weighs 88 pounds, which is 40 kilograms, making it a workout to carry or mount. Now, I kind of found that the mechanical disc brakes are kind of squeaky with 160 millimeter rotors. Now, setup is fairly straightforward as well. Now, this is what you get out of the box. It comes with a charger. It also comes with a lock, a tire pump, also the signal lights. Also comes with the headlight and the tool to put it all together. It also comes with a manual as well. Now the first step is to install the handlebars. Basically just 4 bolts there, and then install the tires, making sure that the roller part is on the brake side of it. And then we're gonna install the pedals, and then the headlight and signal lights. And that's really it. So who is this for? Now this is great for delivery pros, if you're doing like Uber Eats or just delivering, really close areas. It's great for commuters as well that can stretch 100-kilometer plus routes with fewer charging stops. It's also great for campers or gear haulers, and they can benefit from the extra seat length, and perfect for cargo, pets, or a second rider. Yes, it's not a lightweight hill crusher, but for urban grit or workhorse scenarios, it delivers serious value. Now, quick nod to gear. This review is shot with the DJI Osmo 360. Basically, it's a 360 camera. This is first 360 camera of DJI. So it's great if you want to show off the ride, like what I'm doing right now. catch the scenery while catching me riding the bike as well. It adds major immersion and keeps the energy high. Now the JANSNO X70 is a bold, long-range e-bike with moped DNA, thriving in work contexts, daily commuting, and adventure setups. Now specs shine and comfort is real, but it is a little bit heavy, and the braking I didn't like so much. I think it could improve a lot more for sure. Now if range and style is on top of your list, it's a compelling pick. Just pack extra tools, and you can also upgrade the brake later on. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new e-bike. Again, everything will be linked in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!